Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a perfect device if you are creating kind of content videos, if you have a lot of Skype calls, or essentially if you want to have hands-free video calls. It is a AI tracking gimbal by a company called i20. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it, and once you open it, it is very, very simple. It comes with some instructions that explain how to use it, but we're going to go over a lot of those details. It's going to come with a USB Type-C charging cable, and then you are going to get the device itself. So this is what it looks like, and essentially how it works is it has a 360-degree angle. There is a wide view angle camera right here in the front, and this is what tracks you. Now it has a computer chip in here that basically detects the human form. Ideally you want to have it about 3 feet away or closer, so that way it can pick up and recognize you, and then it follows you around. On the back here is where you plug it in to charge it up. It does have a nice battery life on it, so you can use it for a whole video clip and whatnot, and then when you're done, just recharge it up again. There is a little button on the top here. This is the power button that you will press down to basically turn it on. Then you have this part right here, and this is where your phone goes. And as you can see, it rotates 180 degrees, so that way if you want to use your phone in portrait or landscape mode, it works perfectly. Now, to give you an idea of size, this extends from 2.5 inches up to 3.9 inches, so it does fit a lot of larger phones. This whole device itself, to give you an idea, it is 7.5 inches tall from the base to the top, and then this bottom very wide flange here is 4 3/4 inch wide. And then on the very bottom here, there is an adapter that is a 1/4 inch tripod support if you want to use that on the bottom to hook that up. You can do that, just unscrew this little guy right here, and then you can see there is where you can hook that up. And then you can see both this and this part do have nice good rubber on them, so it will keep it from sliding. This is just a little bit wider to give you more stabilization depending on what you are using it for. So let's go ahead and show you. We'll go ahead and transfer the camera over here so you can see how it works. Okay, so here we are doing face tracking. As you can see, as I move, it moves with me. Now, it's not a sports level, so if you're running or something like that, it's not going to be able to keep up. So if you go too quick, it's going to lose its target. So just keep that in mind if you're doing like BMX biking or something like that. But overall, if you're doing conversations and whatnot, it works perfect. If you're doing cooking shows or you're just doing some smaller kind of dance moves, stuff like that, the camera can keep up with that. So keep that in mind. All right, everyone, that is the ins and outs of this i20 auto face camera by Limenamics. If you are in the market for having a gimbal tripod that can track you as you move, this may be just the perfect solution for you. If there was something that I did not cover that you're curious about, always feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. And I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.